if the proportion is not correct, the coffee, the taste, the flavor, the acidity, the body, everything that you are having from the coffee, you will not get exactly. Same as grind also, because since we are using the French press, so the grind should be coarser grind. You cannot use other grind in French press, so it will also affect in your coffee tastes. And then the freshness, when you talk about the freshness, the coffee should be grind before you brewing the coffee. It's not like you will grind your coffee beans before 10 minutes or 15 minutes and after that only you will grind. So this one also one of the effect points. And then the last one is water. The water should be mineral water or bottled water. It shouldn't be the water from the regular tap or something like that, because the tap water might be some salty or something like that including, so it will also affect your coffee taste. And then once you brewed your coffee, the steeping time for the coffee is 4 minutes. The reason why we are steeping the coffee, to let the coffee conduct with the water so that you can have the real taste of the coffee. And then once the time 4 minutes steeping time is done, the coffee shelf life is 20 minutes. So within 20 minutes you need to consume, or you have to consume all the coffee. If it's exceeding the 20 minutes, it means your coffee is expired already, so you cannot have any taste and all with the same coffee. So these are the main basic things that we need to be careful when we are brewing the coffee. I will repeat again: proportion, grind, freshness and water. So if we are careful with these all 4 things, 4 points, we are able to get the perfect cup of coffee, guys. Thank you. So we have still 1 minute left. So let's talk about the coffee starting. So its starting says 800 to 900. The Ethiopian guy, the Ethiopian goat herder guy, name is Kaldi. He noticed that his goat is having some coffee cherries from the certain shrubs, and he noticed that his goat is energetic. So because of the curious, he also tried himself. He gets some, I don't know, there is some confusing between this one, because some are saying like he throw that berry, he give that berries to the monk and then the monk is throwing in the fire and he can smell. Some are saying the monk, he crushed that berry and then he put in hot water and then he having, that's the one first cup of coffee. So please share with me if there is some specific story, what's the reality about that one. That's the what I know. I have a confusion within that one. But the Kaldi is the one who found the coffee cherries. Because of his goat, after having that coffee berries from the certain shrub, the goat is getting energetic, and he is the one who first noticing about these all things. So we are almost done, guys. It's 4 minutes almost. So once it's completing 4 minutes, this is the plunger, guys. So we need to trace this plunger to the downside so that all the coffee, the ground coffee will be in base and you can have the real coffee taste with the water. And I already prepared some cups for us.
So what coffee are you using today?
Today I'm using Veranda. This is a blonde roast coffee. Okay, I will gonna talk about this one later on. So we will describe. I'm just waiting for the time. It's almost finished.
How many minutes steeping time?
The steeping time is 4 minutes, and then the shelf life, once steeping done, the shelf life of the coffee is 20 minutes. Coffee, the plunger will be downside, so that the ground coffee will be downside, and then the real coffee we can have it. Let's have some coffee now. Okay. There we go. Next, this is your Rex. Would you like to join us? when we are having the coffee tasting, there is a 4-step, guys. The 4th step is smell, slurp, locate, and describe. So there is each step have each turns like smell. Why we are smelling the coffee? To find the aroma, to get the aroma of the coffee. Okay. So just bring the coffee cup near to your nose, and then inhale it very deeply. Then inhale it deeply. Make sure you will give your full concentrate to the coffee when you are healing, so that you can easily notice the aroma of the coffee. Okay. So different people have a different notice because different sense, right? So can we start? What you will notice? The aroma. Yeah, start from you, of course.
I can smell cocoa. I see.
Cocoa, right? Thomas,
Chocolate.
Alex, what do you think?
It's not the aroma is not so strong.
Yeah,
It's a light.
It's a light. At least you can little bit notice like what's the aroma, like cocoa notice, soft, like nutty, like that. Right? So this is the first steps of the coffee tasting, smell, to find the aroma, to get the aroma of the coffee, right? Now we will gonna proceed for the next one. The next one is slurp. So when you're slurping the coffee, if you will make loud, I mean like the noise of the slurping, it will more considered. The more loud noise, loud one is the one. The louder is the
better.
better. Okay. So let's slurp the coffee. So the reason why we are slurping the coffee, to find the acidity. So guys, what do you think? What's the acidity of this coffee? Light. Definitely, it's a blonde roast, right? So it's a light and it's a wash process. So definitely, it's a light one. The acidity is very light. So the third one, how you will find the acidity? Before we proceed the third step, let's complete this one. So the acidity is based on your saliva, right? Once you are having a coffee, if it feels like the more saliva produced is in your mouth, in your tongue, it means the acidity is very high. So if the low saliva, it means very low acidity. We can easily notice once we are, I mean like spreading the coffee in your tongue, on all your palates, then you will find the saliva which proceeds produce or no inside in your mouth, right? So that's how we can identify the acidity, guys. Now the third step is locate. Let's slurp again, then locate the coffee. Okay. What do you think? Why we are locating the coffee? To find the body, the heaviness of the coffee. So, Ate, what do you think?
Light body.
Light body. Thomas? Ate?
Light body.
Light body, right? Definitely because it's a light coffee, blonde roast. So the body of the coffee is definitely light, guys. So how we can identify the coffee of the body? Like you can take the example of the full fat milk and skim milk. Once you are having a full fat milk, still the taste of the milk, it will be heavy still in your tongue, right? That's how you can identify the body. If once you are slurping the coffee, if still you can feel the coffee in your tongue, it means the body of the coffee is very heavy. But once you are slurping and then the flavor, or you can say the taste of the coffee is not long time in your tongue, it means it's a light body. That's how we can identify the body of the coffee. Now the last one is describe. Let's describe about the coffee. Since we are today, I choose the veranda, guys. Let's explain this one. The first of all, I wanna talk about this one. This one is from Latin America, guys. Okay, and then as you can see the picture here, there is a one bird. It's a hummingbird. So the speciality of this bird is like in within seconds, this bird can flip the wings from 50 to 200 times. That's the specialty of this bird. And another one is this is the world's smallest bird, the hummingbird. Light. The gram, if you're gonna compute the gram, it's like 2.5 grams of the same like the zinc penny coin of US. So that's the gram, and the size of this bird, if you notice, it's the same like your thumb times. And then this is the bird that can only one bird in this world that can fly the backward. So that's why they are using this image in this coffee. So the name of this bird is hummingbird, guys. And then the second thing is the reason why it's written here 80. Before it comes in the market, 80 times they tried these coffee beans. Then after that only it's approved, and then it comes in market, especially in Starbucks. So before they selling this coffee or before it comes to the market, 80 times it's tried already. That's the reason why it's written 80 here. Okay.
Why this?
That's the hardest question.
The quality.
To get the
They then
perfect
find the quality, make the perfect blonde.
And I think it's in 2012 January 10 it's became a blonde rose. 2012 January 10. This coffee became a blonde rose, guys. So we already described all the things. If you wanna add something, if you have more knowledge, please